Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to upload a logo to your Bigcommerce store. A logo is an important part of your brand, and adding it to your website helps your store look more professional and consistent for your customers. In your Bigcommerce dashboard, to add a logo, we go to the storefront. You can find storefront on the left side of your page. Just click this logo. Here, we first remove the current logo so we can upload the correct one. As you can see, there is no logo at the moment. You can also use a text logo, but since we are focusing on uploading a custom logo, let's continue. Upload a custom image to use as your logo. Click this one and select an image you created on your computer. For example, let's choose this logo. We will use this as the logo for the website once it is uploaded. After uploading, we need to click Save. Now the logo has been successfully saved. To see the changes on your website, just refresh this. Now the logo has changed on your website. With your branding in place, your store will look more polished and trustworthy to visitors.